Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use the camera on your Chromebook to take a photo. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to go down to this circle on the bottom left corner, click it, and you're going to type in camera, C-A-M-E-R-A, and it should pop up. Click it, and now you're going to take a picture of yourself. You can also use video. We might use that at another time for a different assignment, but today we're just going to take a selfie. So check yourself, make sure you look good, and smile. Check your photo at the bottom right corner, and you're going to rename it. Always want to get in the habit of renaming your pictures to the project that it is. So this project is selfie practice. Now you can X out of everything, and you can either go to Clever and get to my classroom that way, or you have Google Classroom right here on the dashboard. That's the fastest way, so that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to click on that icon for Google Classroom, and I'm going to find my art class, click on it, and up here I can choose what I want to see. All of our classwork is going to be under classwork. This is where you turn in your work. I'm going to find my project that I'm trying to turn in, view assignment, reread the directions, make sure I did what I was told, take a photo of yourself using your camera on your Chromebook, upload your photo here, and turn it in. Okay, so now I'm going to add and create. Now, because we used our Chromebook to take a picture, you're going to click on File because it's coming from your Chromebook. So we still have to click here, Upload, because we need to upload the photo. I'm going to click Browse, and I'm going to go to Images. In Images, my picture should pop up. Selfie Practice Drosy. I can click it and click Open, or I can just double click. It's going to take a little bit of time to load. Check that it's finished loading, and then you're going to click Turn In once. It's making sure I double check that this is what I want to turn in, and if that's correct, I'm going to click Turn In again. Now you are completely done turning in that assignment. If you made a mistake and you picked the wrong one, maybe I picked one of the other ones that I didn't like and I forgot, or I did the wrong project by accident, I could click Unsubmit and redo it. But that's about it. And I can't wait to see your selfies and see how you did. If you have any questions, you can post them here in the comments, or you can have your parents email me at jarasi@csdnb.org. Bye.